Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the place where next-gen convenience meets powerful performance. Today we're looking at one of the most versatile and innovative fans on the market, the Shark FlexBreeze FA222. If you're tired of choosing between an indoor pedestal fan, a tabletop fan, or a powerful outdoor mister, this is your all-in-one solution. First off, the FlexBreeze is built to adapt. It transforms effortlessly between pedestal and tabletop modes, so whether you're cooling your bedroom, patio, or workspace, it adjusts to fit your needs. Indoors or outdoors, this fan's got you covered. But what really sets this fan apart is its corded and cordless functionality. That's right, use it while plugged in for non-stop power, or unplug and go cordless when you need mobility. On battery, you'll get up to 24 hours of runtime, which is perfect for camping, backyard gatherings, or even just moving from room to room. Now let's talk performance. The Shark FlexBreeze delivers wide-range oscillation and serious airflow that cools large spaces fast. It's powerful without being overwhelming, and it stays quiet, so it won't interrupt conversations or your downtime. Here's the game changer, the InstaCool misting attachment. Just connect a garden hose, and this fan becomes an outdoor misting system, instantly dropping the surrounding temperature. If you've ever tried hosting a summer barbecue or just relaxing on a sweltering patio, this feature alone makes the FlexBreeze worth every penny. The build is sleek, minimal, and weather-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it holding up outdoors. And with tool-free assembly, switching between modes is fast and easy. Whether you're cooling down a hot bedroom or hosting a backyard get-together, the Shark FlexBreeze delivers powerful, customizable comfort anywhere you need it. If you're looking for a portable fan that actually adapts to your lifestyle, this one's it. Hit the link below to grab yours now, and if you're into powerful gear that solves real problems, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for daily drops. Stay cool, stay breezy, see you in the next one.